Hi guys, we've just checked into the Westin at Anaheim and we are in room 755. So this is a beautiful double, it's like a double room here. So Cole and I, my older son, are here for 2 nights and the hotel is absolutely beautiful, and the best thing about this hotel, apart from everything else, is the close proximity to Disneyland. This is the view from our balcony, so this will be amazing to sit at night and watch the fireworks. So there is 2 huge big comfy beds, and we've been left some lovely little welcome amenities. Lovely big TV, and it looks like this room could be a connecting room as well. There is a lovely coffee machine. I'm just going to go through everything with you guys. So there's a fridge there which is empty, which I love because it means we can put our own drinks in it, and there is plenty of space in the wardrobe. Now apologies because we've just popped some bags in as we've arrived, and some big drawers there. Trying to have a look. There is another drawer there in the middle of the beds, and some charging ports as well, which is always handy. So gorgeous, bright and airy room, and everything is very high tech, like this mirror which is illuminated, which is lovely, and the bathroom, hello, is gorgeous as well. So lovely and bright, huge big vanity, toilet in there, lovely robes, and there is also a shower over the bath, lovely rainfall shower, and beautiful toiletries as well, which look like they're going to smell lovely. So yeah, so they've got some lovely little extra bits here, like some mouthwash and body lotion as well. And they also said that they have some little extras in the room, like lavender oil. I've yet to, oh no, it might be over here actually. So yeah, some lovely little extra amenities. So sleep well lavender balm, and this will be fab because we've had quite a lot of traveling over the last couple of days, and it'll just help us relax at night. So yeah, gorgeous hotel, great location, couldn't think of a better location for Disney. We also have access to the Westin Club Lounge as well, so I'll do a separate video on that. But yes, this is the Westin here at Anaheim. Bye guys.